Hi girls, today I am going to explain about the concept, the type conversions in expressions in C. Okay, what is meant by type conversions? When constant and variables of different types are mixed in an expression. Okay, for example, if you imagine an expression, it is a combination of constants, variables, and those constant variables are all different data types. So that is called a mixed expression. Okay. Now they are called converted to the same type. The compiler converts all operand up to the type of the largest operand, which is called the type promotion. For example, in an expression, one variable is in the integer type and the another variable is in the long int. The compiler automatically converts the lower type into the higher type. That means the integer is converted into the long int. That is called the type conversion. The lower data type is converted automatically by the compiler to the higher data type is called the type conversions. Okay. C provides two methods of changing the type of an expression. The first one is type conversions, that is done implicitly. Implicitly means the compiler automatically convert the lower data type into the higher data type, that is called implicitly. The second one is cast expressions, that is done explicitly. Explicitly means the user forces a particular data type to convert to the another type. Okay, that is called the explicit type conversion. So what is meant by implicit type conversion? C automatically converts any intermediate values to the proper type so that the expression can be evaluated without losing any significance, called implicit type conversions. The compiler automatically converted the lower type, the higher type automatically is called the implicit type conversions. Okay. Explicit type conversion means when we force an expression to be a specific type, that it is called explicit type conversions. Okay. In this example you can see, this is I will show the example for implicit type conversions in my next slide. This is for the explicit type conversion. Explicit type conversion means when we force an expression to be a specific type. Okay. Here this is, in this example, this is a variable x declared in the data type integer, and then the variable y is declared in the data type float. Okay. So here the expression here is x is equal to, this is the data type, the user forced to change the value of the y. Okay. Here the value of the y, if for example if the value of the y is 5 plus 10.5, the result is 15.5. Okay, the whole value here is the 15.5, but we force that value to be changed to the integer, so the output will be the 15, not 15.5. The decimal part will be truncated here because the float value is converted into the integer, so the fractional part is truncated here. Okay, so this will happen in the explicit type conversion. Okay. This is the syntax of the explicit type conversion. Here within the parenthesis you have to give the type of the data type you want to convert. Okay, it's not automatically convert. The user forced an expression to be a specific type, that is given within this parenthesis. Okay, this is the explicit type conversion. Type conversions, the implicit type conversions or happen according to this scenario. This hierarchy, this is the hierarchy of the implicit type conversions, because implicit type conversions are done by the compiler. Okay, we didn't force a variable or a constant to change to a specific type. So the lowest priority, so the lowest size in the data type is character and short. Okay, and then integer, and then long int, and then unsigned short long int, and then float, double, and long double. According to the size of the data type, it was arranged here. Shortened character has the lower range of values, lower range of sizes and values, and then the integer size as the next one under long int. Okay, so if a variable is short, if one variable is declared in short and another variable is declared in int, the short will be automatically converted to the integer. Like that, one variable is an integer, another variable is in long int. The integer type is automatically converted into the long int in the implicit type conversions. Okay. Uh, this is the implicit typecasting when the type conversion is performed automatically by the compiler without programmer's intervention. Such type of conversion is known as implicit conversion or type promotion. Okay. This is done by the compiler, not by the human, not by the programmer. Okay. This is automatically done by the compiler. It convert to a specific type according to the higher range of values. Okay. For example, when you add values having different data types means one value have an integer, another value have a short int. In this example I shown you, this variable, these two are two variables. One variable is an integer, the another variable is in short int. But in the hierarchy, you see short is the lower range of values, integer has the higher value, so the short is automatically converted into integer here. Okay, integer has the higher range of values compared to short, so short type of data is converted into integer automatically. The final value will be in the integer only. Okay. Both values are first converted to the same type. When a short int value and an int value are added together, the short value is converted into the integer type. This is called the implicit type conversion in C. So this is the pictorial representation of the implicit type conversion. For example, if you have a big basket, you have to put into a smaller things. Like that, in this higher range of data types hold the smaller data types. Okay. So this is the lowest range of value, the lowest range and sizes for data type is boolean. That is the first one here, and then the character shortened. So if one variable is in integer, another variable is in the long, which one is the highest range of values? Long, isn't it? So integer is automatically converted into the long type. Like that, one variable is in the long data type, another variable is in the double data type. The long is converted into double because the lower range of value of data type is converted into the higher size of data type in implicit conversions. Okay. So this is also another picture of conversions, how the conversions take place from integer to long, unsigned int, unsigned to long, unsigned long to long, and for double and long double. Like this, according to this hierarchy, the implicit type conversion should be happen in C programming. And then the rules for the implicit type conversions in C are sequence of rules that are applied while evaluating expressions are given below. All short and character automatically converted into it because short and character ranges are very small compared to the integers, so it is automatically converted. Which one is converted? Short and character are automatically converted into integer. Okay. If either of the operand is of the type long double, and then others will be converted to the long double, and then the result will be the long double. If one of the operand is long double, another one is long, it will automatically convert it into the higher type, that is the long double data type in C. Else if either of the operand is double, then others are converted to double. Okay. Here the last, if either of the operand is float, then the others are converted to the float. Overall, in the summary you can say, if the lower priority is automatically converted to the not lower priority, the lower range of data types is automatically converted to the higher range of data types in C. For example, this is the example for implicit type conversion. Here this is the variable A. A is a variable and it holds the value 10. A has the data type of short. Okay. And then another variable is B. It is declared in the data type integer. Okay. So here A is assigned to B. What is the data type of A? The data type of A is short, but the data type of B is integer. Here in this expression, the number 3, in this expression, what happening here? Short is automatically converted into integer. This is called implicit type conversion. So here you can see the percentage mod d is for this control string is used for integer numbers. So but in the declaration a is declared as short, but here in the output statement both are used the percentage d symbol because the shortest range of values of data type is normally implicitly converted to the higher type. Here the short type of data is implicitly converted into integer data type. This is called implicit type conversion. Okay. So next one is the explicit typecasting. The type conversion performed by the programmer by posting the data type of expression of a specific type is known as explicit type conversion. The syntax of this explicit type conversion is within the parentheses you have to give the data type which you want to change, forcefully change. Okay. Now this is the expression here. Okay. But the data type is any valid C data type and the expression may be constant, variable or expression. Now this is an example a plus b into d. What will be the output will be changed into the integer data type. If you have a value of a to b 10.5 and d 10.2, all these are combined together. A plus b in the hierarchy b into d is first multiplied and then the value is added with a. The final value is some values you can get. That value is converted into the data type of integer. So this is also some examples of the explicit type conversion. Here the data type, this is the expression. Here the C is a variable. That variable should be converted into the integer type. This is the user wantedly change the variable to a particular type of data type here. This is the explicit type conversion. Okay. Here the explicit type conversion is the higher data type is forcefully converted to the lower type here. Okay. So because in the previous examples also I shown you, if a float type data is also forced to change as a integer type also. So implicit means lower type change it to the higher type. Explicit means we have to force the higher type of data type is converted into the lower type. So this is the picture shown here. Explicit type conversion means higher data type is converted into lower data type. Okay. So if you're doing like this, you have to allow some of the data in this type of explicit conversions, because if you convert the floating point variables into integer, then decimal numbers are truncated, so you can't get accurate answers here. So that type of inconvenience are also happened while using this type of explicit type conversions in C. This is the example of explicit type conversion. A is a variable that is declared in the data type float. It has the value 1.2, and then B is another variable. It is declared in the data type integer. Here this is the explicit type. Explicit means you have to force a higher data type to lower data type, because float has the higher data type. Float has the higher range of values compared to integer. You declare A in the float, but in this example what we are doing, this float type is forced to change into the type of integer. So this is the explicit type conversion. The higher data type is explicitly forced to change to the lower type. Okay. So here A is declared in the float. That higher data type is explicitly forced to an integer data type. By doing this, you have in this example you have lost the fractional part of the values. Okay, because here the value of A is 1.2, and then 1.2 plus 1, the value is 2.1, but here you convert the variable A to integer, so fractional part is truncated here. This is the explicit type conversion. This is also some of the examples of explicit type conversions. Implicit, this is also one of the example of implicit and explicit type conversions. Okay. So implicit means it automatically converted lower to higher, but explicit means the user forced to change higher to lower type. Okay. This will cause some of the truncation errors. In explicit, it will decimal parts are truncated here. The fractional parts are truncated while converting float to integer. Like that, problems are also occurred here. So in this example, I equal to 20 in 4, p is declared as float. The integer is converted into automatically float. Okay, this is the implicit. This is explicit, means the higher type integer is converted to the lower type short. This is explicit type conversion.